Meet the Revopoint MIRACO, the world's lightest standalone 3D scanner, ready to transform how you scan. Starting with its impressive mobility and powerful hardware, MIRACO allows you to capture objects without having to bring a laptop or deal with messy cables. When you've completed your scan, MIRACO's powerful onboard software allows you to capture scans and post-process your data. For advanced post-editing, transfer projects to RevoScan on your laptop. No matter an object's size, MIRACO can take it on. Scan large objects using FAR mode to capture accurate shape data, smoothly and quickly. Seamlessly switch to near mode to capture ultra-fine details on small items. Maximize your work efficiency by switching between these modes in mid-scan for total flexibility and freedom. MIRACO's continuous capture mode allows total freedom to quickly and smoothly scan objects at up to 15 frames per second. Then, switch to single-shot mode for hard-to-maneuver and difficult-to-reach areas for greater mobility and control of your scan. Create detailed body scans in seconds, ready for use in 3D software. Utilizing MIRACO's flip screen, you can even do detailed self-face scans. MIRACO's reliable tracking algorithms accurately scan body parts for design or healthcare applications. When accurate color scanning is essential, MIRACO makes no compromises, with its 48-megapixel RGB camera delivering breathtaking photorealistic color textures. See your scans take shape with crystal clarity on MIRACO's 2K AMOLED screen. Powering MIRACO's fast processing and versatile scanning modes is an 8-core 2.4 GHz processor with up to 32 GB RAM and Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, allowing MIRACO to seamlessly integrate into your workflow. Whether you are an engineer, designer, or 3D modeler, with its impressive functionality and scanning versatility, MIRACO is ready to redefine how you scan. MIRACO, 3D scanning redefined.